New feature in the latest version of BridgePoint is the persistence of graphical instances as human readable text. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. I have the microwave oven application open here, and I'm in the File Explorer with it expanded so I can see the files that represent the subsystem diagram. At the moment, this microwave oven.xtUML file is what's containing all of the relationships and the graphical instances for this diagram. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up to my preferences. I'm on a Mac here, so it's in the BridgePoint menu. On Windows and Linux, this is in the Window menu. In Preferences, xtUML Model Persistence, I'm going to turn off Graphical Instance Serialization. So this will prevent the insert statements going into the xtUML file. And I'm going to turn on Graphics Textual Serialization. Apply and close. Nothing happens immediately. As anything else in BridgePoint, we only repersist files if a change has happened to the models. So to get this to update, I need to jiggle this diagram a little bit. So I'm going to move this class over slightly, and you can see that a new file xtUMLG, microwaveoven.xtmlg, has appeared. I'll open this with a text editor, and you can see the graphical data is here as text. I can see my shapes for each of my classes, connectors for each of my relationships, with the data that's associated with those elements. If I go back to my diagram, I can make changes. For example, I can change the fill color of this beeper class. If I go into the text file, I can see my beeper shape has a new styles fill color element. I can update the text, and that will cause my diagram to update, so it's turned yellow. I can even do things like change the height, make it very small. Let me go back to the original. There we go. So I can edit both the diagram and the text, and they will affect each other. I can also edit in an external editor. So if I'm in Vim here in my command line, I can open up the file and I can change my color again and save that file. And this time I have to refresh my model. So I'll go over here and hit refresh. And I may have to close my diagram and open. And there we go. I have green in my background. And that's it.